How to enable or disable location access for Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable the location access for Yelp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, just tap on manage apps. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you'll see all the apps that's installed on your device. Now here you can simply scroll through the apps and search for the Yelp, or you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the Yelp. And now here from the search result, just tap on the Yelp app, and after that you'll be prompted to the Yelp app settings. Now from here you simply have to scroll down and tap on app permissions, and now here inside the app permissions you can see the location option. So simply tap on it. So here as of right now it's enabled. So here if you want Yelp to enable your location access, you can just tap on allow all the time. But if you want to disable the location access on the Yelp, you can just tap on don't allow. And that's it. That's how you can enable or disable location access for the Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.